Hello, class 5. Welcome back to our English class. Today, we are going to start with term 2, unit 1, prose. The name of the lesson is The Gift. Before starting the lesson, let us read the glossary. The word shrunk means an adverse reaction. The word feeble means weak. The word denied means refused. The word shabby means worn out. The word reluctant means hesitant. The word persuaded means convinced. Let us read. The gift. Once a beggar was hungry. He saw a big house and went there to see if he could get something to eat. The house was very big and luxurious. There was a beautiful garden around the house. As he neared the house, he could smell tasty food. He knocked at the door. A well dressed man opened the door. The man's face shrunk on seeing the old man. He asked in a harsh tone, "What do you want?" The old man, with his feeble voice, replied, "It has been 2 days since I had food, so please give me something to eat." Let me explain this paragraph. In the story, there was a beggar. He was very hungry, and so he saw a big house and went there to see if he could get anything to eat. The house was very big and luxurious, and so he thought, yes, there are definitely rich people staying here. And the house also had a beautiful garden around. As he neared to the house, he could smell tasty food. The smell was so sweet, and so he knocked at the door. A well dressed man opened the door, and as he opened the door, he saw the poor, hungry old man, and he got angry, and his face shrunk on seeing him. He asked in a very harsh manner, "Why did you come here? What do you want?" And the old man was very weak and replied in a very weak voice that it had been since 2 days that he had anything to eat, and so he's asking him if he can get anything to eat. Let us continue reading. The rich man got angry and shouted at the beggar, "Do you think I'm running a free food service here? Get out of here." The old man, with the same tone, requested, "Is there anything left out? Don't stand here wasting any time. Get out of my sight," said the man and slammed the door. The old man slowly walked away. On his way, he saw a lady from the house dropping banana leaves with the food in trash can. He was sad. He slowly walked to the next house and knocked at the door. "Is anybody there?" After repeated knocks, a voice answered, "Nobody is home. Try the next house." "If there is no one, then who is answering me?" asked the old man. Let me explain this paragraph. The rich man got angry and shouted at the beggar and said to him, "Do you think I am running a free food service? Get out from here. Don't come here," he said. But the old man was again requesting him if he could give anything which is left out, because since 2 days he haven't had anything. And but still the rich man was very hard to him, and he slammed the door at his face. The old man slowly walked away. On his way, he saw the lady from the house, from the rich house, dropping banana leaves with food in the trash bin. He was sad looking at this. He slowly walked to the next house and knocked at the door there. He asked if is anybody there. There was a voice which replied, "Nobody there." But this old man was shocked. If there is nobody, then who's answering me? Let us continue. The man got irritated and opened the door and said, "Why don't you try the big house on the same street?" The old man replied sadly, "I tried, but he did not offer any food." He asked, "How can you expect me to help you then?" When the richest man of the village denied, the old man left the place. The old man was tired and could not walk anymore. So he sat under a tree and soon slept. A man in shabby clothes woke him and asked, "Who are you? Why are you lying here?" The old man replied, "I have no food and no place to stay." The poor man said, "You look tired and hungry. Come to my home and stay with us." The old man replied, "I don't want to be a burden to you. I just need some food." The poor man said, "Okay, just come and have some food with us." He took the old man to his hut. Let me explain this paragraph. The man got irritated and opened the door and shouted at the old man that, "How can I help you when the richest man is also denying to help you?" And so this old man felt bad and he just walked away from there. As he was very tired, he could not walk anymore, so he sat under a tree and soon he slept. After some time, a man who was dressed shabbily shook this old man and woke him up and asked him who he was and why is he lying there. The old man replied that he did not have food for 2 days and he does not have any place to stay in. So that's why he's sleeping under the tree. The poor man said, "You look very tired and hungry. So why don't you come along with me? Come to my house, stay with us, and I will give you food." But the old man said that he did not want it to be a burden to him. But still, the poor man insisted him to come along with him and to stay in his house. He also has a hut. So in his hut, and he said, "I will give you food and you can stay with us in this hut. Though we are poor, but still we have a good heart to keep you and give you food."